In the 43rd question, the statement is given: the experiment will employ a trio of spacecraft flying in a formation in the shape of an equilateral triangle that has sides of 1 million kilometers long, with laser shining between the craft. The experiment in the question refers to, and these are the options: Voyager 2, New Horizon, LISA Pathfinder, and Evolved LISA. See, the question about trio of spacecraft flying in a formation of equilateral triangle certainly is related to option D, Evolved LISA. It is being reported at least 3 or 4 years back in certain newspapers, and it might get reported in many of the newspapers as long as till 2034. So let's see what is Evolved LISA. Evolved LISA is an experiment in which 3 satellites will be launched, and all these 3 satellites will fly in a formation of equilateral triangle, and the distance between these 3 satellites will be 1 million kilometer. Okay, 1 million kilometer is a distance which is 6 times the distance between Earth and Moon. Earth and Moon, the distance Earth and Moon are having, if you multiply it by 6, then you will get the distance 1 million kilometer, and this is the distance between these 3 satellites. Okay, so these satellites will keep on flying and around Earth, and the basic purpose of these satellites will be to detect gravitational waves. See, the universe is characterized with the presence of black holes, but you won't be able to see black holes anytime because black holes do not emit light. Okay, so they absorb all the light, and light cannot escape that portion. So you will not be able to see the black holes in your life. But these black holes can be seen through gravitational waves. So gravity, like all other forces, travel in wave form. We can discuss about gravitational wave in separate video in detail, very detail. Just for the question, just for the sake of question, let's go through this very briefly. So gravity travels in a waves, and whenever there is a collision of two great masses, suppose this is galaxy 1, galaxy A, and this is galaxy B, and whenever they will collide, they are certainly going to eject enormous forces, and that force will be transmitted through gravitational waves. And whenever gravitational waves will pass through these satellites, they will transfer the information on Earth-based observatories, one which is stationed in USA, that is LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, and another is Virgo, which is in Italy. Both of them, these are L-shaped observatories, and with the help of laser interferences, they will track down whether it is gravitational wave or not. And so capable these observatories and this whole system is that अगर किसी को छींक भी आ रही है और छींक की वेव आ रही है स्पेस में, यहाँ पे नहीं, अर्थ पे नहीं, स्पेस में, तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन को भी और उस वेव को भी डिटेक्ट करने के लिए केपेबल हैं ये सैटेलाइट्स, एंड दे कैन सेंड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन टू LIGO, अर्थ बेस्ड ऑब्जर्वेटरीज. So this was the whole experiment about Evolved LISA. एंड जैसा कि मैंने कहा, बहुत ज्यादा इसको न्यूज़पेपर में मेंशन किया जा रहा है 3-4 साल से, और ऐसा एक जगह एस्टिमेशन है कि 2034 तक ही चलता रहेगा एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो 2034 तक हो सकता है कंटिन्यूसली हम लोग इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के बारे में देखें. सो Evolved LISA इज द करेक्ट आंसर, एंड LISA Pathfinder is space-based gravitational wave observatory, and it is a tool for detecting ripples in space-time produced by, among other things, merging black holes. A team of NASA scientists leveraged LISA Pathfinder's record setting sensitivity for a different purpose much closer to home. Mapping microscopic dust shed by comets and asteroids. These are the things which could have or which are being mapped, और जिनको मैप कर लिया गया है नेसा द्वारा. तो इस एक्सप्लेनेशन में हम इसमें हम लोग एक्सप्लेनेशन देख सकते हैं लीसा पाथफाइंडर कैसे काम कर रहा है। बहुत ब्रीफ में मैंने यहाँ पे समझाने की कोशिश की है। वी कैन डिस्कस इन मच ग्रेटर डिटेल, बट ड्यू टू टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट इसको बहुत ब्रीफ में यहाँ पे समझाया गया है। प्लीज गो थ्रू द एक्सप्लेनेशन and please go through this reference physics.org and you will find much more about LISA Pathfinder and how it is working and what are the objectives of LISA Pathfinder and what are the science principle of science and physics specifically which are being applied in this experiment. So this was our question. Let's see the next one.